Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I have one of my favorite videos to film, and it's also the first one of 2018, which is pretty exciting. And if you've been around for a while, you have probably already guessed it, and plus it's in the title. But today I'm going to be unboxing my January 2018 ipsy bag. So if you're unfamiliar with ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service where they send you skincare, makeup, hair care, nail care, and beauty tools, and you don't get all of those things in your bag, but a variety of products every month in a cute little makeup bag like this one. And the design is different every month, and there's never been a duplicate of a design. I heard through the grapevine that prices could be changing, aka going up. I really hope not, because then I would have to cancel. We shall see. I've been subscribed to ipsy for 5 years now, maybe 6, and I absolutely love it. So I have been continuing to be subscribed, but I think that there is something really cool about this month's bag. So let's go ahead and get into this video. There will be a link in the description where you can sign up for ipsy, and ipsy also has an amazing point system where you can review products to earn points, and then also when you invite your friends or whoever to click on the link and join ipsy, you will also receive 250 points. So if any of you guys sign up using my link in the description, I will receive 250 ipsy points. So I thank you guys in advance for that, and thank you to those who have used that link to sign up for ipsy. For this month's bag, I am over the moon excited because, like I mentioned, I've been subscribed to ipsy for quite some time, and the bags can be hit and miss, as well as the bag design. And I will have to say that this month's bag is my all-time favorite bag design that ipsy has ever had, or at least one of the best. And I think that this bag is just so cute and so unique. It definitely gives you that sporty vibe, and I think it's great because in the new year, everybody has resolutions of getting more healthy and fit, and this totally gives me those vibes, like a gym bag essential type thing. And I love this bag. It's so cute. I love the bright and fun colors. If you hear a little noise, it's like a mesh material, so that's really cool. It feels just like a gym bag type bag, and I don't know, I just love it. And even just a little detail of the zipper having like a lace, so like a shoelace, and just representing getting fit, but like it's bright, it's fun. I don't know, I just love this ipsy bag so much, and it's probably my favorite design that ipsy has ever had. So kudos to ipsy on this one. You guys know I will tell you if I don't like the bag design or if it's ugly or something. So thank you ipsy for this, because I love this bag design. So hopefully that trend keeps on going in 2018, but it's so far off to a great start bag design wise. So let's go ahead and get into the more exciting things in this bag, and that is the contents of it. So this little lace zipper is just too cute. So every month it comes with a card, and it's not helpful. It just has this little, I don't know, thing here. You guys can pause and read it if you're interested. It's really not helpful. It doesn't have anything about the bag, any information about the products, nothing. It's not helpful. It's just, honestly, it's a waste of paper, to be honest. Like, I'll go ahead and read it just to tell me if you guys can even come up with anything you would do with it. But Huffin, I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. Head to Ipsy Shopper to load up on your faves and get 10 to 30% cash back for everything you buy. So I mean, pretty much only had info on the ipsy Shopper, which if you've been subscribed to ipsy by now, you already know about it. And I don't know, it's just honestly a waste of paper. I mean, I'm all for motivation, but it literally just says on the back, I will conquer blank. Realistically, like, none of us is going to save this. It's just a waste of paper. I complain about it every month, and even if you post it on social, like, once you post it on social, what do you even really need it for? You could post your goals on a sticky note or in a planner you already have, so I don't know, that's just my spiel. But if it helps you, you go girl. Okay, finally getting into some products here. The first product I see in my bag is, I don't know how to pronounce this product, so we're starting off strong. It's the Oribe, O-R-I-B-E, Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. So I am very picky about dry shampoos, so I wonder if this is good. I don't know, I've never heard of this brand, so it's definitely new to me. I don't know if it's a new brand, but it's a very generous sample and it's also great for travel. So let me know. I don't know, how do you travel with dry shampoo? I've never brought dry shampoo on a flight or anything before. I don't travel much to begin with, but you can't bring this on a carry-on because it's like flammable. So, but it is travel size. So I don't know, can you only bring dry shampoo if you check a bag? Because, man, I don't know. But I'm all for flight safety though, so it's worth it. But anyways, it's the Gold Lust shampoo. Let's see, give it a real test, see how it smells. I can't really smell any. Holy smokes. Can you guys see that? Oh man, it doesn't smell like anything. It's kind of strong now though. Doesn't smell like anything. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be good. I've never heard of this brand, so let me know if you guys got the... Ooh, yeah, I can smell it now. It smells identical to the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo. I like the Tarte one the best. That they just came out with, I've tried a lot of dry shampoos, but I like the Tarte one the best. It smells the best. It's vegan, and it's just a lot better. But I will definitely give this a shot. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand, but it smells identical to the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo, which I have tried, but it's not my fave. Ugh, I don't like this. So the next product I received in my bag is by the brand Cake Beauty, and it's the Heavy Cream Rich Vanilla Shea Butter Deeply Nourishing Lotion, and it's cruelty free, which is great. But I just never have liked the scent. Bring up, yes, it's okay. Come on. Yay, Chloe! Go girl, mommy has makeup on though. Yes, go girl. But this is Cake Beauty. I've just never liked any of the lotions from there. I usually like vanilla-y, like cakey scents, but like way too thick. Like I'm all for like a good thick lotion, but yeah, I'm not even gonna open this because I think I'm gonna save it because I know some people love this brand, but for me it's just too thick. I don't like the scent. But so this product is also made in Canada. I'm just not a fan of this brand. It's just not my favorite. The next product in my Ipsy bag that I have is by the brand Dirty Little Secret, and I believe this was an eyeshadow that I saw at least. Because I used to be able to wait for to see what was in my Ipsy bag till I got it, but now I just can't wait. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is an eyeshadow in the shade Sangria. Ooh, that's actually really, really pretty. It's like a reddish, maybe like a tint of orange. Not more red. Like shimmery eyeshadow. I really, really like this. I think I would have rather gotten the bronze option, but this is actually really pretty and will make me try something new. So I like this a lot. And I've actually been very impressed with the brand Dirty Little Secret. And I feel like it's kind of underrated, but I really like it. I am so excited. So the next product we have is a full-size NYX, I think it's lingerie lipstick. I've heard a lot of great things about these, and I received the shade Liply, so I've heard great things about this. I like the lip product that I'm wearing right now, so I'm not going to put this on right now, but I have heard great things about this. Right now I'm wearing the Too Faced Melted liquid lipstick in the shade Chihuahua. I'll have it linked. Okay, so I'm very excited about that. I love NYX Cosmetics. They are just a great brand, and I've been wanting to try some of their newer lip products, and I love their butter glosses, and people don't really talk about them anymore, but I have just been so hooked on them, so I haven't really branched out. But I saved the best for last, one of my favorite products, or I would say my favorite product that I received in this bag, if I can get it out of the bubble wrap. No! I'll have to contact Ipsy. It's cracked. I'm sad. But it's the City Color Contour Palette. I received a blush palette from them too a few months back, and I love it. And my contour palette is cracked. I'm sad. But they'll replace it. They're really good about it. And Ipsy Cosmetics has like the best customer service that I've ever dealt with, and I'm not just saying that. Like I've dealt with a lot of companies, especially like being in like the beauty realm and like YouTube influencer realm. Best customer service. So they'll handle it, but I'm just really bummed. City Color Cosmetics is also cruelty free, which is great. So I was really excited about this product, but they'll replace it and make good on it. So that is everything that I received in my Ipsy bag for January 2018. I actually really love this month's bag. I love the design, I love the products. The only thing I'm really not going to use is the hand cream. But other than that, I'm willing to give everything a try, and it's been one of the best bags in a while. I was actually contemplating on canceling, but whenever I do, it seems like my bags get better, so it's almost like Ipsy can read my mind. But I had a really great month, and I hope you guys enjoyed what you received in your Ipsy bag, and I will see you in February, because one of my New Year's resolutions is to not miss a month of Ipsy. I have been organizing my videos in playlists now to keep myself more organized and you guys can view them easier, and I realized I only did like 4 or 5, maybe even just 3, probably 4 or 5 Ipsy unboxings in 2017 out of 12 months. So that's really bad. So I'm gonna work on making these videos better for you guys, not miss a month. So we'll see if I can do it this on all 12 months for 1 year. So we'll see if I can do it again. So I love you guys. Let me know what you received in your Ipsy bag, what you thought of it, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys.